Welcome! If you've ever wanted to give your Google Chrome browser a sleek new look that's easier on the eyes, especially at night, then switching on dark mode is the way to go. It not only looks modern, but also helps reduce eye strain when browsing in low light. In this updated guide, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to enable dark mode in Google Chrome, and it's a lot simpler than you might think. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your device. Once it's open, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 small dots stacked vertically. This is the menu button, and it's where all of Chrome's settings can be found. Tap on those 3 dots to open the drop-down menu. From the menu that appears, scroll down and tap on Settings. This will take you into Chrome's Settings page, where you'll be able to customize different aspects of the browser. Keep scrolling until you find the section labeled Theme. Go ahead and tap on it. Now, you'll see the different appearance options that Chrome offers. Among them, you'll find Dark. Simply select this option to switch your browser to dark mode. Immediately, the look of your browser will change from light to dark, giving it that smooth and stylish appearance. That's it. Just a few quick steps, and you're done. Dark mode is now active in your Chrome browser. This look is perfect if you're browsing at night, working in dim environments, or if you just prefer the dark aesthetic overall. If you ever want to switch back to the classic light style, you can go back to the same theme option in settings and choose light instead. So whether you want less strain on your eyes or simply enjoy a more modern look, enabling dark mode in Google Chrome is an easy change that makes a big difference.